Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Today we will be talking about Google Sheets, templates, tables, and simple functions. Tech Tuesday is brought to you by the NMDELT team, which is a project of Propel. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet used for organizing data, analyzing and tracking information, and calculating and reporting various data points and other information. When looking at a spreadsheet, it can be a little overwhelming when you realize how many functions and options and possibilities there are when creating a spreadsheet. So, as an adult educator, where would you start? What options can you use to make using a spreadsheet a little easier? Why reinvent the wheel when Google Sheets has a library of template sheets that range from attendance to to-do lists to even reporting time and management? These templates are formulated to meet the needs of educators and are easily adaptable for each specific program. While templates can be a great starting point, sometimes they don't quite work or maybe meet the needs of what each educator is looking for. What do you do now? Creating a spreadsheet to meet your needs is possible. Since a spreadsheet is used specifically for tracking and calculating data points, you can make tables either from an auto-generated table that is provided through Google Sheets, or you can do it by inserting a table or adapting and creating your own. As you create a spreadsheet, sometimes you will have to add certain calculations. Some of these functions in Sheets that are very common are sum, average, count, max, min, and multiply. When needing to calculate a set of numbers, you select the cell you want to calculate and go to the Functions tab. We are going to start with sum, which is adding numbers. Once I click on sum, it will show me the formula of the range it is going to calculate. To verify, I would click enter and you have your total sum for the numbers given. For finding average, you would follow the same steps. Select your cells, click on your function, and hit enter. Your average will show the average of your data points. Again, the same steps are followed for count, max, or min. When doing count, it is going to show you how many data values are being calculated. For max and min, it will show you what is the maximum value in your cell range and what is the minimum value in your cell range. Multiply is not on the quick list, but it is a function often used. I could search through all of the function, but as you can see, it is an intensive list of different functions that are available for calculating different forms of data. I could go through and I could search for it all, but also if I select a cell and type the equals button and start typing in the function I want to use, it will pop up with a generated guess. Once I have selected the function that I would like to use, I have to put the cells in which I want to calculate. If the sheet starts to see a pattern, it will give you suggestions so you don't have to type it in every time.